Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a pre-market video for March 1st, 2024. Looking at SPXP, full complex, all expirations are turned on. Key things to note, we did see an improvement in structure, just based off of the net GEX level. So yesterday we were at 35K. Now we're at 87K, so a substantial increase there. So strengthening of the complex today. 5100, this is your key upside level right now. This is plus GEX. Transition zone is 5075, 5070. The white box is quite large, but if we take it to landscape view, you can see clearly this is where the transition zone is. At least that's kind of the art that I apply to it. 5115, this is a JPM strike. This is negative GEX, so that has not changed. The other thing to note is the structure itself. COI down at 5,000. This is still substantially below plus GEX. At 5,100, remember COI is the strike with most call open interest. Ideally, we want to see speculators with the biggest position above spot price, not significantly below spot price. So some reason they don't see the need right now to roll their position up and out. So again, that's just kind of a weakened state from what I typically want to see. That is if you're a bull. Moving on to 0DTE structure, transition zone 5070, 5085 to the upside. 5,100 right now is key plus GEX stripe. However, note gamma profile is built out well above spot price, so above 5,100. We likely see spot or plus GEX shift up at least to 5120, 5125. We do have COI all the way up at 5150, so that is encouraging in terms of what we just talked about with SPXP of how we want the proper stacking. So the max call speculation position is well above spot price, which is good to see as opposed to below spot price. To the downside, below 5070, and we have 5065, which is negative GEX right now. Below 5065, 5050 would be the next kind of logical target. It's a half psychological number there. Looking at 0DT, the only negative here is we see that COI and plus GEX shift lower to 5075, 57, 5075. This is clear lines in the sand. This lines up well with the SPXP full complex, so a little bit of confluence there. Nonetheless, structure is a bit weakened here, but obviously it's going to be important to see how the money from today flows into Monday. So this structure could change, and perhaps we see plus GEX and COI shift higher come Monday morning. But with that, best of luck out there today. The one thing I wanted to note real quick is looking at our Twitter post yesterday. Here we're just looking at the transition levels. This kind of pairs well with our Twitter thread we did over the weekend about the significance of transition zone plus and minus GEX. You can see yesterday's price action was perfect representation of that. Gap up, sell off right into the transition zone. Then we found support there and progressed up to plus GEX. We see that oftentimes. Really, there's a reason that we write in our pre-market posts. Be cognizant of price relative to transition zone, because transition zone is key. Yeah, so again, I just wanted to hammer that point home. And then looking at market trend model, we have a trigger day higher, short-term strength and momentum showing in the market after yesterday's move. So obviously this is only day one. Bulls want to see a follow-through day here. So with that, best luck out there to you, and we will talk to you later. Bye.